Hi friends, I'm so sad I'm not there today this week to be with you. But don't worry, I recorded myself, so I'm here on the screen. Okay, so today we're going to listen to Miss Cannon read a story, and then we're going to do a fun activity. All right, so I'm going to hold up the cover of the book, and you are going to make a prediction about what you think it's going to be about. All right, so have your prediction face on. We're thinking of some questions. All right, I'm going to hold it up, and then the sub is going to pause it, and you're going to talk about it. All right, here we go. All right, so let's pause me right now. All right, did you guys share what your predictions were? I see that, there's a monster right here. So I'm going to predict that he's a character in the story. And I see that he has spilt some water. Oh, let's see what it is about. All right, I'm going to try my best to read it, and I'm going to try my best to show you the pictures. Let's see. I'm going to turn right here. Monster knows I'm sorry. Are we ready? Oh wait, let me turn my fan. It's tickling my face. At Pooble School, it's time to learn. Let's work, let's play, let's do. Monster works on math and words and learns their manners too. Please, I'm sorry. Thank you. I'll show you the pages. Ooh. At school, the monsters rush about to put away their things. I'm sorry, friends, I can't talk now. School starts when the bell rings. Oh, goodness, he looks a little concerned. You know what I'm wondering? Where's this monster's eyes? How does he see? He may need a haircut. The monsters all sit at their desks to start the school day strong. One monster isn't listening. I'm sorry I was wrong. Look, that teacher looks so grumpy. She says, please listen to my words. Another monster in the room looks like she is sad. Monster puts an arm around her. I'm sorry you feel bad. Oh, that's a good friend. This friend's sad, and this friend is saying, oh, I'm so sorry. I felt sad before. Teachers asks, what's the color is Flarp? What's Flarp? A monster blurts out, blue! Oops, I shouldn't have raised my hand. I'm sorry I was rude. Maybe she just got too excited. Now she knows. During free time, all monsters play a game of zip and boing. A monster is left out somehow. I'm sorry. Care to join? Oh, look, this person feels sad. Oh, the monster, not a person. Feels sad that they left out. Have you ever been left out of a game? I have, and it hurts my heart. Look at this guy smile. He looks so happy. He got lots of eyes. Let's see. It's time for snacks. Splurg and D. Oh no, there's no more D. Monster says, I'm sorry, friend. Want to share with me? Well, that was so nice. Look at this friend. He's putting more in his mouth, and he still has no eyes. Oh, I forgot to show you the picture. Let's do a trick question. Maybe you know, maybe you don't. What time do you think that clock says? I'm not going to say, but if you know, raise your hand. At sharing time, one monster frowned. She didn't want to share. She hid her toy from her friend. I'm sorry, that wasn't fair. No, maybe she just didn't want to share her toy. That might have made her friend sad because her toy was pretty cool. Art class now, but a monster spills. There's Flugel on the floor. I'm really very sorry, friends. I hope that there is more. Oh no, did she spill all the Flugel? That's Flugel. And maybe it's a monster thing. The teacher says it's story time when Monster says, "No way." And soon he feels awfully bad. "I'm sorry, I like to play." Oh no, he didn't want to listen to the story, he wanted to play. Oh no, the teacher was mad again. Look at the teacher's face. But at least Friend said sorry. Oh look, wait, he's sneaking a car. Sometimes I like to play and not listen to stories too, but stories are fun. Plugel School. I'm sorry, we must go, my friends. The school day is done. We're off to walk back home now, but we all had so much fun. You know what I noticed? All these friends are smiling. They are all smiling. That's wonderful. The end. All right, so I'm gonna have the teacher pause my video and you guys are gonna talk about what the story was about, okay? Maybe you have something you want to share. When you're ready, hit play, okay? Hi friends, so I hope that you enjoyed that story. Next we're gonna do a little bit of dancing. And then you're going to get something so much fun. Are you ready? You want to know what it is? No, you don't. You don't want to know what it is. You do? Okay, so you are going to get some Play-Doh for your hands, okay? And I want you to make a monster with your Play-Doh. Now, please don't eat that Play-Doh because it's not very good. All right? I hope to see you next week. I miss you so much. Bye.